Hi everyone, Stephanie Dang here, sharing a layout featuring a cut file from this month. I will be using Tombow water-based markers for this project. I've never tried using these markers as my background before, so this is going to be a learning process for me. I pre-prepped my page before getting started by putting gesso on my layout and letting it dry. I'm using the kissing technique on my project. This doesn't exactly turn out well, so then I start switching my technique. The gesso and the water-based markers and the kissing technique just doesn't flow right and it doesn't stay. I keep trying with the kissing technique, and then at one point I almost threw my whole layout away but decided to keep going. This hot mess right there is the reason why I was about to throw my layout away, but I just kept going. Now I'm switching out my technique and actually just using the paintbrush and adding water and then just adding the color directly onto my page myself. As you can see, it turns out much better. It looks a bit of a hot mess right now. One side clearly looks way better than the other side, but you know, I kept with it and stuck through it. I actually wanted my wreath to be centered, but then I made a mistake, so then I had to move everything to the right, and I kind of actually like this added border there, so it works out. Now it's time to play and hide some of my mistakes. I added some enamels and I am done with my project. I hope my project gave you some inspiration, and thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome, blessed week, everyone.